Welcome to iContentsPro. This short video will show you how to start a project and capture contents images using the iContentsPro mobile app. From the mobile app dashboard, click on New Project at the top of the screen. Select an insured client. The most recent client you've entered is at the top of the list. Let's select Abe Lincoln. If you need to add a client, simply click on the Add Insured at the top of the screen and fill out the insured information. Let's enter Abe's claim number. Select the type of loss from the list. The list covers most loss claims, as you can see. We're going to select flood. Enter his insurance company. The location field is your current location. Let's scroll down the screen and click on Add Project. You've successfully added a project. Let's start working on the project and start capturing content details. From the main dashboard, you'll see Abe Lincoln. Click on View Details. You'll see all of Abe's details. Click on Go to Project. Then click on Start. Here, you will find all the rooms within a home. We've also added business and commercial rooms for those type of projects. We are going to start capturing contents in the family room. Notice you have options within the family rooms like game room, loft, media room, and man cave. Let's click on the main family room and start taking pictures. Your camera will automatically open and you can begin capturing the main family room content. We'll capture the ottoman. You can select to use photo or retake the picture if needed. We will use the photo. The next screen allows you to do a few things to the photo. You can crop the photo. You can annotate or mark damage area of the content. You can even type text on the photo if you wish. We'll just crop the picture. Cropping the picture helps the iContentsPro AI Image Analyzer give you the best results. Once you're done, click on the arrow at the bottom of the page. Here is where you add details about the content. If you need to take another picture of the content, click on the camera at the top of the page. You need to add a description of the content, either type it here or use the audio to text button. If you know the brand, enter it here. If you know the model, enter it here. You will need to enter the age of the item in years and months. You will need to enter the quantity of items. Next, what action is needed? Is it being replaced? Is it being repaired? Or is it being cleaned? This will help our AI engine give you the appropriate cost to replace or clean the item. We're going to replace the ottoman. Next, what condition or what was the content's original quality? Was it below average or purchased from someone like Walmart? Was it average or purchased from someone like Ashley Furniture? Or is it above average or purchased from someone like Saks? The location is very useful and automatically logs where the content is located at. This will help with authenticating that the content image was taken from the residence or from an off-site location. If you have a receipt, you can take a picture and add it here. The last thing to do is enter where the item was purchased from. Remember, wherever you see an asterisk, you have to enter something. Where you see a microphone, you can click to speak in the information. Now that we've entered the information, you can go to the next content in the family room. You can select another room. Or you can submit the project for processing. If for some reason you need to pause capturing contents, you can click pause and return where you left off. For time's sake, we're going to click Submit Project for processing. You can see the pop-up box checks with you to make sure you've completed capturing all the contents. You've now completed the photo capture phase for Abe Lincoln. And you're back at the main dashboard. Notice the iContents processing box has Abe Lincoln's project there. As soon as the report is completed processing, it will move to Report Complete box and the report is ready for you to review. This completes our tutorial on capturing contents using the iContentsPro mobile app. Thank you again for your time and check out our next tutorial on reviewing reports.